Listen to a lecture in a pottery archaeology class. A broken pot may not seem very informative at first. Yet in many ancient settlements, fragments of cooking vessels have revealed changes in daily life that written records never mentioned. One especially useful clue is not the decoration on the surface, but the blackened residue left inside. When people repeatedly heated food in ceramic pots, tiny traces of fats and plant compounds were absorbed into the vessel walls. Long after the original meal disappeared, some of those chemical traces remained. By studying them, specialists have been able to identify broad shifts in diet, including cases in which communities relied less on wild resources and more on cultivated crops. The evidence, however, must be handled carefully. A single pot does not represent an entire population, and residues can be altered by soil conditions or later reuse. Even so, when similar patterns appear across many vessels from the same site, they can suggest larger economic and social changes. In several regions, residue analysis has helped show that farming did not replace older food practices all at once. Instead, cultivated plants, gathered foods, and animal products often remained mixed together for long periods. What looks like a sharp historical transition may actually have been a slow and uneven adjustment in everyday household behavior.
Now answer each question based on what you hear in the lecture.